some great progress on the car. Like I mentioned, we are going to assemble the car and it will be pretty much done. Hey my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So what we plan on doing today is to go visit Dane just to see some progress on the red Vtec. What I also plan on doing is maybe just driving the EG as well. I actually want to get a few pictures and maybe some cinematics of the new rim that's on the car as well. So I'm basically going to just remove the cover as well as remove the Polo 6W RC front bumper giveaway bumper. Just going to move it that way, unwrap the Honda and then take the car for a drive. I also need to pull out the Yaris as well. So yeah, I'm just going to get the stuff all out of the way and then we can take the Honda for a drive today. So without further ado, let's bust the move. Yo guys, so I arrived at Dane. I have Dane with me right here. So what Dane is basically doing right now is just taping a few things up so we can spray whatever needs to be black. He's going to spray satin black. So like for example, this front bumper over here, this section obviously needs to be black. And then also this is also all the black panels that will be sprayed. So this will be coated in satin black, so everything will basically be fresh. And then that's the door panels over there, and then the car is also being polished on that side. So basically
I don't think they're ready to see that car.
so don't say you guys are not ready to see the car yet. I had a glimpse of the car, the car is shining, like how can I say, it's shining very good. And yeah, I'll show you guys later what the car looks like, but the whole plan for today is basically to get everything sprayed and ready for assembly. So yeah, that is basically what we have planned for today in this video. Okay guys, so this is what the car looks like. To my understanding, Dane said that this is only the first stage, the cutting stage. To my understanding, that only means that they are flattening it and then polishing it, and then it still has to go through a few different stages as well. But other than that, I think the car looks pretty good. Let me just wipe section off here. Some great progress on the car. Like I mentioned, we are going to assemble the car and it will be pretty much done. Also, the owner also went with the bottom side skirts actually being red. Like I mentioned, he has another set as well, and he has another set of lights. And then we still need to assemble the interior as well. Okay guys, so we pretty much sanded down all the plastic parts and panels that need to be sprayed black. The plan for today is basically just to get this all sprayed up and then obviously cure overnight, and then tomorrow the plan is to assemble everything that is here onto the car as well. So this section also we're going to spray black as well. Then you mentioned something about spraying over the satin. It's like a clear satin. What?
Satin clear coat.
Satin clear coat. So that is also something Dane is going to do as well. I'm actually interested to see that as well. Okay guys, so this is what the parts look like. It's still drying, so it will eventually start looking more matte than this. In some areas you can actually see that it's getting dry. This is also the bumper. Remember that there's still going to be spots in over here. So yeah, so we're going to continue the video tomorrow basically, and like I said, once this is all dried up, then can start assembling everything. So catch you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is the next day and this is what the panels look like, all sprayed up. What we do plan on doing is maybe removing it off the car in future and respraying it, because we felt like this is a little bit too shiny. As you guys can see over here, this bumper also looks a little bit too shiny. However, the reason for us actually still assembling the car today is because we are on a bit of a deadline. The customer does need the car tomorrow for a wedding, so we're going to assemble the car today. But in future we plan on respraying this a little bit of a more satin color. And then this is also the car guys. As you guys know, what Dane has done is he removed every panel possibly on the car so that he can get the best, how can I say, out of the car. So for an example, you guys saw that we removed completely the whole door. So I would just like to show you guys how cool it actually looks inside. So you actually won't get this effect without removing the whole door. So as you guys have seen, everything has been sprayed in one go. So let's say for example there was a door on, you would maybe see a line in between here, which will obviously show that that wasn't sprayed at the same time. So that is a cool effect that I just thought I'd share with you guys. And then also guys, there isn't really any, how can I say, masking tape lines. So usually you would see some masking tape lines over here if this panel wasn't removed. So let me just move to the back over here. This is also an area that you guys have seen we masked up, and we made sure that there's no lines or masking tape lines. Over here you guys can see also the panels are still off. So this is a perfect example to show you guys it is actually best for you to spray all the panels removed, because then you get this type of, how can I say, you get this type of look where it's all in one instead of masking tape lines like I mentioned in future. So yeah guys, this car is basically all done. Like I mentioned also previously, the car still needs to go for another stage of sanding, etc. But today we're going to assemble the car, so the car can be ready for tomorrow for the customer. Okay guys, so if you made it this far, just like to thank you for making it to the end of this video. So as you guys have seen, this video is actually kind of short. The video was actually cut short because myself and Dane actually had to do something, so we weren't able to actually continue with filming or continue working on the car as well. So this video I'm basically just uploading as a bonus video, as I already uploaded a video this week, so this will basically be a second video for this week. Then up and coming is obviously going to be the reveal video, as well as there's a few how can I say, things that we still need to assemble. What I'll also do is maybe just show you guys what Dane has been doing this far, and then we can take it from there.
Okay, so here you can see I need to just polish here. Need to remove the headlight again so I can polish here nicely without damaging the light. And the rest of the panel is perfectly fine. Touched up that door. Touched up this door also. Finish this whole side. Right up here. Top of the pillars and down here also.
So that is basically where Dane is right now with the car. So like I mentioned, in future will most likely be the reveal video, and then just maybe some odds and ends on the car as well. So yeah guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.